Looking to remodel your small bathroom on a budget? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore 10 practical budget-friendly suggestions that are sure to transform your space. Stay tuned for these 10 impressive small bathroom remodel ideas on a budget. First, consider a fresh coat of paint. Light neutral colors can create a sense of openness and brightness, making your small bathroom feel larger than life. Up next, update hardware and fixtures. Replacing old faucets and cabinet handles with sleek, modern options can give your bathroom a refreshed look without breaking the bank. Now let's talk sinks. Installing a pedestal sink not only saves space but also offers a minimalist design that's easy on the wallet. Speaking of space saving, why not maximize storage with shelving? Wall-mounted shelves, recessed niches, and over-the-toilet storage can help you organize and declutter. Our fifth idea? Invest in a new shower curtain. A stylish curtain can serve as a focal point and complement the color scheme of your bathroom. While you're at it, upgrade your lighting. Softer, evenly distributed lighting options like wall sconces or backlit mirrors can create a bright and inviting atmosphere. For a splash of style, add a pop of color with accessories. Colorful towels, rugs, and artwork can liven up the space without overwhelming it. Moving on to number 8, consider installing a frameless glass shower door. This sleek update adds a sense of spaciousness and value to your bathroom. Don't forget to embrace vertical space with tall storage solutions and innovative options like pegboard walls. And lastly, DIY where possible. Tackling manageable projects like painting and installing shelves can save you money and bring a personal touch to your bathroom. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. With these tips, you're well on your way to transforming your small bathroom into a stylish, functional retreat. So there you have it, 10 practical and affordable ideas to revamp your small bathroom. From fresh paint to creative storage, these tips offer style and functionality without a hefty price tag. With these 10 impressive small bathroom remodel ideas on a budget, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional without breaking the bank. Happy remodeling!